And that's what we stick to right now.
Government of Meghalaya, through the Health Department, took a significant step towards eradicating pneumonia from the state with the launch of the Social Welfare Awareness Action to Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully initiative. R.M. Korba, Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District today, launched the Social Awareness Action to Neutralize Pneumonia successfully at the Community Hall in Rangbihbih, East Khasi Hills, marking a crucial effort in combating this health challenge. Highlighting the initiative focus on health awareness, Korba urged the villagers to come forward to link the Aadhaar with the Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme, the MHIS. She also said one of the strategies to tackle child mortality from pneumonia is the introduction of the pneumococcal PCV vaccine into the state's immunization schedule.
Kejongi kelong ba min penduk pendam ya kejenyap jogi kelong hapok kesisna kata de ketong kejongi hakan nega Saans program.
Former MLA